Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is a sponsored video from NewCraftDay. I don't know if you've ever heard of them, but they are really a huge diamond painting and a cross-stitch company out there. And I have had several diamond paintings from them, and I love them. I actually probably have about 5 kits from them. And so far, every one of the kits that I have received from them in the past have always been of really good quality. And I received several other things from them, like diamond painting, like the accessories and different things. They had tons of stuff. They probably got just about anything you'd need. Anyway, so they just recently started selling like crochet supplies and stuff. And so I had to jump on the bandwagon for that. I did receive these hooks right here. And I love them. I have been working with this 4.5. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? Thank you so much, NewCraftDay, for this. I love these hooks. I love the short shaft on them. Let me get these pulled out so I can show them a little closer to you guys. I will leave links in the description box for you guys for any of these supplies if you're interested in them. And even though it's a sponsored video, I love what I received. Here we go. Aren't they just some really cool hooks? Look at that, guys. Now, you have to want, you know, the short shaft. If some of you like the long shaft, well, these are the shorter shaft, which is perfect for me. But it comes, this package has a 3.5, a 3.0. Aren't they just beautiful to work with? 5.0. They're just fun. 5.5. Got the stars all over it. 2.0. And we have a 4.5. First I thought it said 6. I was like, wait a minute. A 4.5. 4.0. We have a 2.5. And we have a 6.0. But these are very cool. So if you're interested in these, I'll leave the link below. In my opinion, they work very well. I love them. I have been working, like I said, with this 4.5. It works just perfect for me. See how it grips my hand just perfect. I like it. So thank you, NewCraftDay, for that. All right, let me show you the next item that I received from NewCraftDay. It's this bag right here, this crochet bag. It has the hook, the hose right here. So if you want your yarn inside, you can run your yarn through there. I personally do not do that because I changed my mind too much. I can't do that. But this is a beautiful bag. I love this bag. This is a removable strap. The sides open up, both of these. It has a big pocket in the front, and then the front opens up, and I will show you that. And here is the inside. It's nice and big. It's a very good quality material. It's like a nylon. Very nice. All right, so I did use this bag yesterday. I went on a day trip, so I was gone the entire day. Got home late last night. And I carried, I think, 4 crochet books in here, 2 skeins of yarn, a pair of my slipper booties that I make. I had those in here. I had a makeup bag in here, and you know, to freshen up my makeup throughout the day. And I had the accessories that I needed for the crochet projects. What else did I have? That may be all. Yeah, I think that's about all I had in here. So let's see. In here, I actually had my accessories. I had my crochet hooks, and I had my stitch, not my stitch markers, but my tape measure and things like that. I just kind of slipped in there on the inside there. So that was nice. And the other side of this has a zipper back part too, but it's just, you know, like right here. So you could put a skein of yarn in there. You could put a bottle of water, you know, whatever inside there. So it's just perfect for that. which I left that open because I was planning on putting my drink in there, but I never did. And then you have this right here. And I had, I think, my slippers and a few other things in there. Let's see. Okay, so this front part that you guys want to see, it has a zipper. One zipper here and a zipper here. So you got one on both sides. But this does come down and you can see inside. And it has this right here. And you can put stuff in right there. Very nice. So you can have your scissors and all that, those goodies. And I like that it has this right here to cover it up. So that when you open this, all your stuff is not just flying out. That was a very cool move right there for this company to create that like that. But yeah, there it is. Very nice. So I do highly recommend this one. Like I said, I have used it in action. And this is my to-go bag. So it will go with me on all my little trips where I have to carry my crochet stuff. But yeah, even I had, like I said, 3 or 4 crochet books in here. And it held up for it. So, and I do need to put some more stitch markers on here. There's one of my stitch markers there. I don't know if you guys ever think about that, but when you take your traveling crochet bags and projects and stuff with you, you can always use any of these little pieces right here for your crochet hook. Not crochet hooks, for your crochet stitch markers and stuff. I always just, almost all my little pull tabs, I always have stitch markers. Okay, so let me show you the next item that I received from NewCraftDay. Now this one is very cool. It is this, I think I got this, it's a lavender color. It's got these beautiful flowers. And let's see. I have not really used this one yet, but I do plan on this being like a go-to bag for me to keep, you know, my stuff in. So when you open it up, here's what you have. I love that little mesh package up there, and then you have all this cool stuff right here on the inside. So let me remove this real quick. You get a set of crochet hooks, stitch markers. So you have this. It comes with these little pouches right here. You open it up, and it comes with 5 skeins, little skeins of yarn back here. And they feel pretty soft, actually. Let's see. So if I remove the yarn, let me show you the depth of, so you could, you know, put something in here. So yeah, there it is. This is a nice, real nice little cute little bag, and I like that it's got this little lavender piece right here. It's very pretty. All right, so the crochet hooks. I have not got to use these crochet hooks yet, but let's take a look at them. I love all the pretty colors. Aren't they pretty? All right, so we have a blue. This is a 4.0. I like that it's got this right here. We have a 2.0. This pink is pretty. This is a 3.5. I love that these match the shafts. Very nice. And a 4.5 in this. 6.0. 5.5. 5.0. It's a pretty purple. A 3.0. That reminds me of Laura. And a 2.5. So you get a nice set of crochet hooks in this bag of goodies. So let's take a look at that. All right, it looks like a hook sizer and a ruler at the same time. Very nice. Has it on both sides. And oh, a set of steel crochet hooks. Look at that. Little bitty tiny hooks. Little tiny hooks. Let's see if we can take a look at that. All right. So we have a 1.0 a 0.60, 0.65, 1.5, 0.75. This is nice. I did not know this was in here. 1.9. This is like icing on the cake. It's a bonus. 1.1. Ooh, this one looks tiny. 1.25. 1.75. 1.4. A 0.9. And a 1. I don't know if it's 1.6. So that is really cool. I needed that. See what else is in this cute bag. Okay, guys. I'm not quite sure what that is. Probably latch hook stuff, maybe? I don't know. I know what that is. It's to weave your yarn in your projects. We have 3 of these. There's some more of that, whatever that is. And these are pom-pom makers. Nice. I guess maybe a tassel maker or something like that, probably. And a tape measure. Let's take a look at the tape measure. Very nice. All right. Okay, so that's what I received from NewCraftDay. So I will leave the links below if you are interested in any of these items that I have received from NewCraftDay. So thank you so much, NewCraftDay. I love every bit of this, and I'm so excited to, well, I would say I'm so excited to get started working on this, but I already am. I'm already using the product. So, but I do look forward to working with some of these steel hooks, because these little tiny ones, I have projects that I need this for. So thank you so much for that, NewCraftDay. And guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.